Family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today in the kitchen on the menu is fried chicken. And what I'm going to do now is season the chicken. I have here some Jamaican seasoning mix, some paprika, some Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and season this up. Behind the night camera. Okay, and the rest of the seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all up and put it in the fridge for about an hour. And when I come back, I'll show you guys how I fry my chicken. I don't know if I'm gonna put batter or not, but I'll make my decision in a little bit. Okay, and that's how it's looking right now, fried chicken. So I'll be back. Okay, family, so in this bowl, right, it's not a bowl. I don't know what this is. Yeah, it's a bowl. I have some flour here. So I'm going to season my flour with the same seasoning that I put on my chicken, but I'm not going to put that much. Just dump this in here. Some black pepper. Paprika. And a little salt, not that much salt because I don't want it to be too salty. And then I'm going to go ahead, I like to do this to my chicken also. I like to add red pepper flakes to my breading. It's not that much, but mix this all up. Scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, clean gloves. What I'm going to do, I'm going to coat the chicken the chicken with the flour, and I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna double coat. So I'm gonna coat them first. I have a plate over here. I'm just gonna let them sit on the plate like so, and then just after a little while, and then I'll come back and add more flour to it, and then I can go ahead and fry. I'm not going to do a wet batter today. So I'm just pressing the flour into the chicken. Shake off the excess. Just let them sit over there and sweat. So I'll go ahead and finish this off. And then I'll come show you guys when I'm ready to fry. Alright family, so I'm back. And this is the second coat of the chicken in the flour. And I have a half a scotch bonnet pepper here going just to get my oil nice and flavored. And this is, I'm gonna do thighs first, skin down. That pepper have my daughter coughing, y'all. That's why I love Scotch bonnet pepper. So no more than that. And I'm not gonna touch them until they're ready for turn about. I'm gonna fry these for maybe about 6 minutes on each side because I'm gonna end up putting them in the oven on 170 to keep them warm until everything else is finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these off. I can let the camera just stay upon this so I can see how good it look. You know, see that? It look good. So let that go, and it smells good. The pepper with the oil smells so good. Turn that way. And I have another pepper too, so when that one finished burning off, like so, when it gets a little bit more crispy, I'm gonna take that out and then add another pepper in there. So I'll show you guys. Okay, family, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn. Look at that. Just like that. And turn. Whenever I fry chicken, I don't use um anything like this to turn my chicken because you get all that juice just get out of the meat. So I just turn it so. Just like that. So I'm gonna make this go again for another 6 minutes and then me come back. My camera wasn't recording, you guys. So here I'm just gonna add the 2 wings, leg, and 2 more pieces to the oil. When these are finished frying, I'll come back and show you guys all the finished stuff. And yeah, that's it. So I'll show you guys. Like I said, they look nice. They're so cute. Okay, family. So while my chicken is over here kicking up some steam, I'm gonna go ahead and do a side of black beans right here. I have 3 tablespoons of butter in this pot. I'm just gonna dump my black beans in. I have some thyme here. Let me see. Okay. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I'm not gonna mince. I'm just gonna roughly chop these. Like so. Just like so. And I also have, 1 second, let me turn my chicken. Oh. Why are you upset? Okay. Alright. And I have this piece of onion here. And I'm gonna go ahead in with some seasoning. Cup of salt, black pepper, and that's it. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. Add some, add some water to that for me, please. Add some water. And I'm just gonna let this simmer until everything is done. On this back burner back here, in this pot, I have some yellow rice. Let me show you guys. have some yellow rice here in this pot. So I'll come back and I'm going to do some plantains on the side. So I'll come back and show you guys that process as well. Okay, family. So, oh, something looks so dark. Okay, family. So I have some plantains here. This is about 3 plantain, right, baby? So my oil is hot. Everybody in. Jamaican. What is? And these are ripe plantains also. Oy. Okay, so this is how I wish one day for you. See how nice and golden brown these are? I love, 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 love fried plantain, especially when they're ripe. And then they be so sweet. Look at that. Uh-oh. Come on. Not yet, but still your turn, yeah. You're eating too there. Then too there. Alright, so we'll finish off these. And I'll come back and plate, okay? I'm gonna finish these off and then I'll come back and plate. Okay, family and friends, dinner is all done. Dinner is served, actually. Yellow rice, black beans, fried chicken, and fried plantains, sweet fried plantains, actually. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the bell notification, subscribe, and give this video a like. And until next time, I hope you enjoy and be safe. Bye.